Today we're going to be transforming from this to this using the LuluPony VIKI hair extension. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Gaudi from the Braid Besties located in Southeast Melbourne. The LuluPony VIKI is one of a range of ponytail hair extensions made by LuluTress. This particular ponytail is quite long and it has soft waves. It also comes in a range of colors. The particular color that I'm using today is the F1B30, a black with streaks of brown through it. I'm going to go ahead and prep my hair for the install. I'm happy with my hair now, so I'm going to tie it with a satin scarf for a couple of hours so it can set. Once my hair is set, I'm just going to use a little bit of Garnier Sleek and Shine, and also I'll brush back any flyaways. And I'm ready for the ponytail. The LuluPony extensions have got a pocket that fits your own hair. The basic idea is to put your hair into a bun and use the top and the bottom combs to clip the ponytail around your bun. Once you've secured it, then use the drawstring to tighten the ponytail around your bun. I'm just going to go ahead and do that now. Once I'm happy that my ponytail is secured, then I usually tuck in the drawstring into the pocket or I tie it around my ponytail. You can also just leave it hanging because essentially the hair hides it. And that's it. It's really simple. If you like this video, check out my channel for more reviews and also check out my store at thebraidbesties.com.au for more products like this. Thank you.